Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you guys where to go to upload tags for your videos. So when you're first uploading your video, then if you scroll all the way down about here, you're going to see a little option that says like more options. So if you click on that, it's going to open up this little area down here. And this is where you add your tags. Now, this is from a plugin called VidIQ. Highly recommend it. Probably stick a link to that in the description of the video. But that's where you add those tags. This is also where you can choose the recording date of your video, so that way you can help with relevancy. You can also pick a country that you really want your videos to appear in, so like United States, and choose your categories and how your comments go. So next I'll show you how to do this for a video that's already been uploaded. And once the video has been uploaded, you want to go to your video section, click on details. And if you scroll down just a smidgen, this is where your tags are going to appear. So if you want to add more tags, just click in here and start typing. And then when you're finished, make sure to hit save. Otherwise, the information won't be saved. If you are looking for help with your tags as far as like what tags you should be using, there's a lot of debate going on right now about the relevancy of tags. So I still use them primarily to track the rankings that I want to rank for. And then also to like kind of show that my videos are similar to other videos on YouTube. So like if I know that one of my competitors or somebody that I've worked with has a video that's similar to what I'm working on, and I kind of want to share that audience, then I might borrow some of those keywords just or some of those tags in order to tell the robots that, you know, this content is similar. And then also just like your really general stuff. So like gaming and like the name of the game and then like the kind of things that you're doing just to kind of help the robots understand what the content of the video is. And then, of course, like I said, if you wanted to use something like VidIQ, which is down here, or TubeBuddy, this will also give you some recommendations for tags. These are paid features, so you'll want to sign up for one of those, but it's not super expensive. And I definitely think that it's worth the investment. But I'll leave links to those in the description of the video so you guys can check this out should you need or want to. But hopefully that will help you guys answer the question of where to add tags. Your homework is now to go and optimize one of your videos with tags and then stick a link to that video in the comment section of this video so we can check it out and see what kind of tags you're using, and then see if I can give you any feedback as far as like other keywords that you might want to be targeting, as far as like search volume, difficulty, and that kind of thing. So that's your homework. Hopefully this information has been helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.